Hello everyone, this is Timothy from ReplacementRemotes.com. Today I'm looking at this brand new Anderic Vizio replacement smart remote control. It is the RRXRT303. It has the full QWERTY keyboard on the back. It also does have the Amazon, Netflix, and MGO app buttons across the top. This one is a 100% direct replacement for the original XRT303 from Vizio. We offer a 1-year replacement warranty and a no questions asked guarantee return policy right here from ReplacementRemotes.com. If you have a question or would like to purchase this remote over the phone, give us a call toll free at 1-855-553-6683 and our friendly staff will be glad to help you. Or as always, log on to our secured and trusted website. By clicking a link below this video I provided, hit the green Buy It Now button and we'll ship you this brand new remote control.
ReplacementRemotes.com, ReplacementRemotes.com. If you need a remote control, ReplacementRemotes.com.